This is how to remove the white background of an image in Adobe Photoshop CC. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below. Let's say you would like to remove the white background of this image like so. Right click on your image on the layers panel. Click on rasterize layer. And now if you click W on your keyboard, click on select subject in the middle hand screen. As you can see, Adobe Photoshop is going to select your subject perfectly. Right click on the image, layer via copy, and if you click the eyeball icon of the original image, you have now successfully removed the white from the background or the image. Or if you want, you can hide this, and you can do this manually. L on your keyboard, top left hand screen, third option, polygonal lasso tool. As you can see, if you click anywhere in your image and then you click outside of the image to remove the background, click enter on your keyboard. You can click backspace and see how it removed the white background from the image. Or if you want, you can do the third option, magnetic lasso tool, and then anywhere you click on the image, we're just moving our mouse cursor, and see how Adobe Photoshop is selecting everything for us completely for free. You can now successfully remove the white background from an image in Adobe Photoshop in less than 2 minutes.